Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Mawryngkneng constituency uba having stone Kharpran. Ulaong balabun siyan ki Shipai ki Jupenthut ya ka Trei ki Brio ka Jila hakaba ulapan ya ka jubab bashay na uba Preston Tunsong baun pentikna ban le halor kani knang banang ni shakmat ki Shipai kino penthut show iki ba. Ya kani ulakren haba ulabu Jingkylli Menteri Katanat PWD uba Preston Tunsong haki kenta kali Jingkylli ha sngi penkut ya ka dorbar mang tingka hapo yeng dorbar thawan baka Surok na Happy Valley Mawshbuit kadai ni kajaka jong Katanat Shipai. Uba having stone ule thu badang hagini khliat sngi haba Katanat PWD kadang pentrei ban maramot ya kani ke Surok ki Shipai kilawan ban Pynsangeh yaki. Haba jubab ya kani usembut menteri rangba ulaong baka Surok kadai ke belalong Trei da Katanat PWD hendre ya ke benta ke bahandru spa meter kadai belalong Trei da ki Shipai nadu usnam shijak khnai spa nyupuar balalap na kikot kisla. Ule thu baka deputy commissioner kala penong ke Jingkylli halor kani haka khatlai tarik urumpang namar ki Shipai ki kam baka dega Surok ka dega jaka jongki da ka bakam baka jingpentrei kala tam ya ka handus pa mita kumta ule thu baka ni ka Jingkylli kala seiso haka baki Shipai ru kila syak biang ban maramot ya ka ni ka Surok usembut menteri rangba ula ong ru ba unsa syong Jingkylli biang hakini kita yo banwan ban ya keren halor kani.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 98. Sir, the road from Happy Valley to Mawshbuit village belongs to the Public Works Department, except for a stretch of 600 meters which falls within the GTC lands.
Your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister that whether this army has the legal documents to claim the ownership of this road of 600 meters?
Sir, yes, in fact, in my level, I had a meeting with the district administration where ultimately we found out few important documents relating to this particular stretch. And it was notified way back in 1972, which this 600 meters belongs to the defense lands.
So, will the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister be pleased to place in the table of the House, sir, those documents?
Yes, sir. That gadget, I will do it. I'll place it.
Another one, sir. In the last few days, not long ago, sir, while the PWD department was taking up the repairing of the road in this part, Mawshbuit. So I don't know whether they repaired the 600 meters or beyond that, because while they did the repairing works, the army personnel came and disrupted those people who are doing the repairing works.
Yes, sir. In fact, again, the Deputy Commissioner has convened a meeting on the 13th of February 2025 relating to the ongoing repairing works outside the 600 meters, because the army seems, the defense, they claim that this road belongs to them, meaning outside that 600 meters. But ultimately, sir, after the meeting, this issue has been resolved, and even the GTC officials, they allowed the repairing work to go on.
Sir, I request a comment, sir, to settle the matters, because many times the army people used to be a threat to our people also there, sir. Whatever they do, they used to disrupt. So I request a comment, sir, to the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of road, that to please assure us that to find out the permanent solution on this long pending conflict, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will again review this matter maybe after a few weeks from now. But for the information of the honourable member and also the members of this August House, sir, from the department, we are also exploring the possibility of having a new alignment completely, which will not touch the defense land at all. And one proposal, in fact, we have where we explore is the road or the bypass from Mawryngkneng to Mawshbuit, Mawshbuit to Mawryngkneng, and Mawryngkneng to Mawkasiang. So right now, sir, we are exploring. In fact, I would humbly request the honourable member from Mawryngkneng constituency if he can also help us out. Because right now we are discussing, we are requesting the landowners, if they can part their land, then this bypass can be created for the interest of this entire region or the entire belt, sir.
Thank you, sir. I assure you, sir, that I will cooperate on this matter, sir. Last question, sir. I request, sir, that if the department concerned, take up this thing that to clearly demark this 600 meters route which claimed the army, sir. Immediately you should clearly demarcate this 600 meters, sir.
Yes, sir, it was already properly demarcated. Demarcated in the sense that they put up a gate, entry and then exit. So the gate was falling under that 600 meters, which the land belongs to the defense land.
Yes, Barton, please.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge road, whether there is any arrangement for alignment from Mawryngkneng connecting to Mawshbuit, since you had mentioned Mawryngkneng to Mawshbuit, Mawryngkneng to Mawshbuit. So is there any proposal to align the Mawryngkneng to Mawshbuit? Because this is also affected, sir, and is closely connected with Mawshbuit.
Sir, for that particular stretch, we are yet to see if that can be connected with Mawshbuit or not. But yes, sir, points noted, and I will examine this issue too, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, Bachars, please.
Yes. So I would like to ask the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, the question again raised by the Honorable MLA from Nongkrem. The main road from Mawryngkneng, Happy Valley, to Mawshbuit, it's a road which is well used by all the residents of Mawshbuit. But time and again, because of the gate that has been erected there, in the evenings after 9 o'clock, the local people who are coming back from their shops and the daily work, they get harassed at that gate. And this has been a recurring phenomena. Then may I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister if he can ask the GDC to remove that gate, because it doesn't serve any purpose. Because if the 600 meters, if it is from point A to point B, why have a gate in the middle? Have it in front of the 600 and at the end of the 600. Then we can know that these two gates belong to them. The land belongs to them. But at the moment, there is no clarity, only harassment. So I feel, sir, that there should be a high-level meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister and the GDC to ensure that these gates are not are kept open for the public. And the removal of the gate, because nobody can construct a gate on a public road. That as per the laws, as per the PWD laws also is there, sir. So may I request, what action will the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister take on this regard, considering the trouble that the local people of Mawshbuit face?
Yes, sir. In fact, I've already replied that portion of 600 meters and even the gate was installed within that 600 meters, which, as per the notification way back 1972, this particular plot belongs to the defense land. It is treated as defense land. So, sir, as I've already replied, yes, in few weeks' time from now, I will also again have a meeting with the with the GTC authority, and we will try our best to resolve this issue. And that's what, in the meantime, we are also trying from the government. If we can get a permanent solution by identifying a new alignment altogether, I think that will solve the issue permanently, sir.
So for the information of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, so even till the year 1977, not 72, the Shillong city bus used to travel from Demthring via the Brown Gate into where the gate is and then come and stand at Happy Valley. There used to be a bus, city bus, that used to go round and round. Suddenly the gate came up after 77, sir. That is why I was saying if they want to put a gate, let them put it on either side of the road so that we don't encroach into their property. But the main road should be free of any obstacles. So that is what I'm trying to do. So perhaps in the next meeting, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister can raise this issue.
Yes, sir.